Hi, we're the Murdoch RAs, and you're watching the Res Life Show. Woo!
Freeze frame.
Hi, my name is Amanda Taylor.
My name is Amber Lovelace.
My name is Daisha.
Hi everyone, my name is Leah.
And I thoroughly enjoy living here in the quad because the staff works extremely hard to keep it safe and clean for us students.
My favorite thing is the events the RAs host here in the quad.
And my favorite thing about housing is the events on campus.
And my favorite thing that we do in resident life is have our community dinners. It's a really good time for us to catch up with one another, see how we're doing, and just be a community.
Clubs on campus is the best way to enjoy your college life, get the most out of it. We're pretty involved on campus, wouldn't you say?
I'd say we're moderately involved.
Moderately, yeah. We have a pretty good understanding of clubs, organizations on campus. And if we don't have answers, we'll put you in contact with people who do. So, if you have any questions about any club, organization, or anything like that before our next segment, here's our emails, or here, or here, or here. We don't really know, but email us. Also, enjoy the next segment. Whew.
I love me some Logan, I love me some Issa. I never get either shit. Them women is queens me. I'm a drunk, I'm a demon. Heaven knows I'm a dreamer. I seen Taraji and Kelvin, always hope I could be that. I fell in love with an actress acting like she don't need me. Polarizing the sun, underrated again. Show business and never love you the way you love it. We come and we go, they quick to forget. So every bougie event I attend, I tell them this. Assuming I'm rooting for everybody that's black. Yeah. Yeah. Assuming I'm rooting for everybody that's black. Yo, look. Assuming I'm rooting for everybody that's black. Spent about 2 racks on handmade new rags. Assuming I'm rooting for everybody that's black. That's everybody from sports to college class to rap and back. Assuming I'm rooting for everybody that's black. Everybody be asking my 6th album, my last. I'm super sick of this business. My daughter
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a forensic science and psychology major, and I'm an RA in the quad. I bet after watching this, you're wondering, how can I be featured in the Res Life Show? Well, let me tell you. We have a segment called Housing Homemade, which we feature next, where you can just record yourself demonstrating how to do basically any skill you know. It could be baking, it could be running, it could be how to throw the perfect frisbee. As well as that, we are looking for teaser submissions. So if you want to submit yourself saying like, hi, my name is Emily and you're watching the Res Life Show, you're more than welcome to do that. You'll just submit them to Brian, and his email is below. And that's it. So next we'll be watching Claire with her Housing Homemade.
my name's Claire Templing and I do calligraphy. I'm self-taught and I've been doing it for 2 years come last June, and I am gonna show you a little practice exercise, so if you want to try it out, you can do it too. Right now I'm going to demonstrate a chisel tip and a brush tip pen, which is over here. I'm using mild liner currently. So with the letter A, you go up, downstroke is thicker, up again, you pick up your pen, and then you go down and up. And that is how you create a lowercase a. And then for the B, again, you go up and the downstroke is thicker, then you pick up your pen, and you go up, down, and around. And that is A and B using a chisel tip. Chisel tip takes a bit to get used to just because I started with the traditional calligraphy pen that uses ink. And all that means is I was using like a pen that you dip in. So brush tip is also very difficult for me. So you go up and down and up again, and then you pick up your pen, and then up, down, and up. Again, notice that the downstrokes are thicker, so that is basically what makes a calligraphy letter. Up, down, pick up your pen, and then up, down, and around. And basically that's how you form your basic shapes in calligraphy. Now, don't get angry if it isn't going your way at first. It's a very difficult thing to learn. It's like learning to write for the first time. You have to learn your letters and then your words. Names are the easiest. And then your phrases. Eventually you'll get to the point where you can do things like this. And I just brought out a few examples that I've just done in my dorm room. So, yeah. And I was taught by a book. You can find practice pages if you look. Some of them will be free, some of them will not be free. That's calligraphy. I hope you enjoyed learning some of the basics, and I hope you enjoyed seeing what you could do with potentially a little practice.
Warning. Sensei.
Hello. Welcome to Science with J Squared. My name is Jordan.
My name is Jonathan. And today we are going to be doing an experiment with eggs and their membranes and dissolving them and trying to make them into bouncy balls. Okay, I think I'm going to do a green. Ready? And now that is Fiancé.
Apparently the membrane on the inside is supposed to make it where it will bounce.
Because of what?
Fiancé.
So let's try.
Let's see.
But you can see that the membrane is still on it, so you just have to kind of barely wipe it off with water.
There's some shell right here. I just am rubbing it, and it's coming right off.
Okay, so with a flashlight, you can actually see that it lights up, so the shell is off.
Look at that.
So there's the membrane. She's a floating. Gross. We'll do the green one next. Well, not the membrane, the yolk. Ew.
I really hate that.
And to prove that these are real eggs, Jordan is
Well, we're gonna bounce them?
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna bounce them first.
Because they're supposed to bounce, right?
Real egg. Let's see if this one bounces. Oh, this one bounces.
That's exactly what I said. actually like are really good bouncy balls.
You see how? That's amazing.
Well, that is all we have for this episode of Fiancé with J Squared.
Welcome back to Alexis's bedroom. Woo-hoo. We hope you guys enjoyed our second episode of the Res Life show. I know we have had so much fun creating this for you.
Yeah, it's been a fun semester. It's been fun working with the team. Shout out to our amazing filmers, editors, other co-hosts. Shout out to the
Quad Father.
Yeah, y'all deserve all the praise, all the love. Keep checking us out. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to email us. And we hope you have a safe rest of your semester. Make sure you're getting COVID tested before you go home for the holidays. Be safe in your hometowns. Love each other. Wash your hands. Anything else I'm forgetting?
I cannot think of anything. Have a good rest of your day.
Woo!